Okay, this is my 1994 Festiva and my 1995 Aspire engine with 35,000 miles on it that I swapped out. All the parts around this engine are from the old Festiva motor. The only thing of the Aspire is the block and just a few brackets. I had to change these crank pulleys and all these pulleys here I had to change. This is the idler pulley and bracket. Idler pulley and bracket off of the Festiva. This is the air conditioner bracket right here, all around here, off of the Festiva. This is the water pipe off the Festiva that went on the Aspire block. I kept the exhaust manifold from the Aspire. That's the only thing I really kept. I put new plugs in it. New plugs, original wires. Let's see, I didn't change the timing belt. It was really good. I put a new motor mount. This is a good motor mount. This motor only had the Aspire engine only had 35,000 miles. This is the original Alternator, which I broke when I took the main wire off on the back. It snapped off the stud. So I drilled a 3/8/16. Don't know if it's going to work. I think it's going to work. I'm going to try. If it don't, I'll have to get a new alternator. But anyway, I think I repaired it good enough. I tapped it, drilled and tapped it. Anyway, this is the down tube for the exhaust manifold. And I put that on with those 3 bolts there. They were really hard to put on. Really hard. I almost seemed like I didn't have the right thread. But it was just rust. And this is the oxygen sensor from the Festiva that I put in the Aspire manifold. And it had a longer wire than the original Aspire oxygen sensor. And turning the motor around, I bought a new motor mount here. Right here, new motor mount there. This is the transmission, 5-speed transmission off the original Festiva that bolted right up. And this transmission plate right here, that plate came from the Festiva and had to go on the Aspire engine because this Aspire engine was an automatic. There's the starter and the starter bracket. That came off the Festiva. Starter bracket came off the Festiva. This is part of the water line that came out of the Festiva. This is the distributor cap. This whole distributor, I unbolted that bolt there, that bolt there, and is there another bolt? I think, yeah, another bolt down there. Those 2 bolts right there, and I had to take the distributor out. And the Aspire distributor wouldn't work here, so I put my Festiva distributor back in. And of course, the intake manifold, all from the old Festiva right here. All from the old Festiva. And got a new motor mount here on the tranny in the back. And I've got a new bushing for right here for the shift stabilizer bar bushing. This is the speedometer cable. Goes into this threaded hole of the transmission here. And one of these on the transmission is a reverse, I guess, sensor, and the other one is something else I don't know. Here's one electrical outlet, right? One electrical cable coming from the tranny here, and one coming from the tranny here. I can't remember offhand what it's for. One must be for the tell if it's in neutral. I'm not really sure, but anyway, one's for reverse maybe. And coming around to it, I guess that's it for the swap. What I've done so far. The exhaust manifold, like I said, that's on there. Air conditioning mount, idler pulley, this, and that's kind of it. Ready to be put back into the Festi. And I cleaned up the inside of the Festiva chamber auto engine bay best I could. Cross member down there where the tranny sits. And here's my air conditioner. I was able to swing the air conditioner unit out to the side and not lose any freon. Not really sure if it ever lost freon anyway, but it really wasn't great and when it did work. Anyway, so that's it. Now I just got to put the motor in, figure out where the hoses and things go, and I tried to meticulously take pictures of it on here so I know. And I just recently also put in a new master cylinder here. And that's it. I'll let you know later what's up. Over and out.